Good. Let's look at our first exercise. Identify the kind of noun. Now, what are the kind of noun? Okay, what are the kind of noun we are talking about? We're talking about kind of noun. Person, names of person, place, animal, thing. These are the four kinds of noun we have done. Person, place, animal, thing. Now, look at all the words here. Okay, what are they? Now we have a cat, bat, park, boy. Spell cat, C-A-T, cat, B-A-T, bat, P-A-R-K, park, B-O-Y, boy. Now, cat, bat, park, boy, all four are noun. We have to identify what kind. Is it a person, place, animal, or thing? Shall we look at our first noun? That's a cat. What is a cat? Which category it belongs to? Cat is a noun and it's an animal. So we write here animal. Yes? Did you enjoy the exercise? Look. Next we go to the word B-A-T, bat. This is a cat, animal. Bat. What do you use the bat for? To play. To roll the ball. Or you take the bat to bat. Right? One thing on the ball. So the bat is what you take it out to play in the house or outside. So what is that? Is it a place, person, animal? No, it's a thing. So we write here, bat is a noun, it's a thing. Good. So we take that, thing. So two nouns we did, identify the kind. Cat, animal, bat, thing. Let's take the third one. Park. Park is a noun. What kind of noun? Park. According to the titles here, person, place, animal, thing. What is park? Good. Place. It's a place you go and play. Spend some time. Sit together and chat. Maybe have a picnic. Park is a place you go to enjoy, to get fresh air. So we found three nouns and we found their kind. Last noun, boy. What kind of noun that is? Boy is a person. Boy is a noun. And what kind of noun? It's a person. So we found cat, animal, bat, thing, park, place, boy, person. So in this exercise, we found all our nouns, but we identify the kind of noun. Good. Did you enjoy? Let's take another four nouns and let's identify the kind. Look what you have here. Now, let's look at the words we have. Spell table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Is table a noun? Yes. Brother. B-R-O-T-H-E-R, brother. Is it a noun? Yes. Next. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Is it a noun? Good. It's a noun. Beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Good. Table, brother, rabbit, beach. All four are noun. Now you're going to identify what kind. Is it a person, place, animal or thing? And we are going to write down here after we identify. Let's look at our first one. Table. What is a table? It's a furniture that you have in the house to write on. Who uses the table? Daddy, you use, your teacher. What is a table? It's a thing. It is a thing. So table is a noun and what category it belongs to? It's a thing. Very good. Are you happy? Let's take the second one. Read. Brother. Who is a brother? Your big brother or small brother? Okay, your cousin brother, any brother. Brother. Is it a place, animal, thing, place, person? Yes. Brother is a person. So we identified brother as a person. Table, thing, brother, person. What the next noun we have here? Rabbit. What is a rabbit? Cute little animal with the long ears and a bushy tail. What does he do? He keeps jumping about, eating carrot, loves carrots and cabbage leaves. Yes, rabbit. What is rabbit? Find out. Person, place, animal, thing? Yes, rabbit is an animal. Very good. Rabbit, animal. Table, thing. Brother, person. Rabbit, animal. Let's look at our last noun. Beach. What is a beach? What do you do at the beach? You play, you go for fresh air, you have picnic there, you take your family, friends, beach. So what is it according to this? It's a place. Beach is a place where you go to enjoy. Now, so we write here place. Beach, place. Are you happy? Table, thing, brother, person, rabbit, animal, beach, place. So all the four nouns we identify the kind of noun as person, place, animal or thing. Did you enjoy the exercise? Let's take another four words. Good. Look what you have here. You're learning to read. Remember, at the sight of the word, you should be able to read. What's the first word? Zoo. Excellent. Z-O-O, zoo. Is it a noun? Yes. Next word. King. K-I-N-G. King. Is it a noun? Yes. Next. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Is it a noun? Yes. Last word, dog. D-O-G, dog. Is it a noun? Yes. So we have zoo, king, fan and dog. Four nouns. Now we are going to find out where do they belong? What kind of noun? Is it person, place, animal or thing? And we'll write it here. Let's take the first noun, zoo. What is a zoo? Zoo is a place where you go and see wild animals, birds and animals you find at the zoo. You go for a picnic, look at all the beautiful animals, pretty birds and so on. So what is zoo? It's a noun. What kind? According to this. Place. So we take the word and put it here. Zoo is a beautiful place full of lovely animals there. Zoo is a place. Zoo is a noun and it's a, you identified as the kind of noun place. Let's take the second one. What is that? King. Is king noun? Yes, it's a noun. What kind? King. Who is a king? A person who rules the place. So, person. Very good. King is a person, a very important person. So, king, noun, person. Kind of noun, person. Happy? Let's look at the third noun, that's fan. What is a fan? Fan is something that gives you breeze, keeps you cool. Yes, fan. So what is fan according to this? What kind of noun? Thing. Very good. Fan is a thing. It's not an animal or place or person. Fan is a thing. So you identified the noun. Fan is a thing. Good. So we found three nouns. Zoo, place, king, person, fan, thing. Fan, thing. Last one is the dog. Yes. What is a dog? What is a dog? Animal. Is it a noun? Yes. Now dog is an animal. Dog is an animal. So we write here. Now all the four words are noun. Zoo is a noun. It's a place. King is a noun. It's a person. Fan is a noun. It's a thing. And dog is a noun. It's an animal. Very good. So are you happy you found all the kind identified the noun and found the kind. Let's go to another exercise. Look at the nouns given to you. Let's read. Let's learn to read. First word. Aunt. Spell A-U-N-T, aunt. Is it a noun? Yes. Next word. G-O-A-T, goat. Is it a noun? Yes. C-H-A-I-R, chair. Is it a noun? Yes. And the last word, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Is it a noun? Yes. Aunt, goat, chair and shop. We have 4 nouns here. Now, you must identify the kind of noun they are. Is it place, person, animal or thing? First one, aunt. Aunt is a noun. Who is an aunt? Can be your mummy's sister, daddy's sister. Yes? Aunt. So, what is an aunt? It's a person. Yes, aunt is a person. Very good. Let's look at the second noun, goat. What is a goat? Goat is an animal that gives you milk, meat. It grows in the farm. Yes, you can also keep it at home. So goat, it's an animal. Have you seen goats? Yes, it's a lovely little animal. So goat, it's a noun. What kind? Animal. So we write it here, animal. So we found 2 nouns. Yes? Third one. What is this word? Chair. Chair is a noun. What do you do with the chair? You use the chair to sit on. It's a piece of furniture. So what is it? According to this, chair is a thing. Very good. Chair is a thing. Excellent. We found 3 nouns. And finally, the last one. What is it? Shop. Shop. Is it a noun? Yes. Shop is a noun. Where do you go to the shop? What do you get at the shop? Depends on the kind of shop. If it is a fruit shop, you get fruit. Vegetable shop, you get vegetable. Grocery shop, you get grocery. If it's a cloth shop, you get material and so on. So what is shop? It's a place. Excellent. Shop is a place. You buy things. Now look at all the 4 nouns. We identify the noun and the kind of noun. Did you enjoy the exercise? Aunt, a person. Goat, an animal. Fan, a thing. Shop, a place to buy things. So you found all the 4 nouns and identified the kind too. Let's take another exercise with another 4 nouns, shall we? Let's read the nouns. Let's read. First, S-I-S-T-E-R, sister. Is sister a noun? Yes. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Is market a noun? Yes. D-E-E-R, deer. Is deer a noun? Yes. And finally you have B-E-L-L, bell. Is it a noun? Yes. Now we have 4 nouns here. Sister, market, deer and bell. Sister, market, deer and bell. Now we have to find out what kind of noun, person, place, animal or thing. Where does it come under? First one, sister. What kind of noun? Sister. Who is a sister? It can be a big sister or small sister or mommy's sister or daddy's sister. So what is that? A person. Sister is a person. So we write it here. Person. Sister is a noun and it's a person. So we found the kind. Good. Second one. Market. What is a market? A place where you go and buy anything. At the market, you can get anything to buy. Yes? So what is a market? Market is a place where you get any food stuff, anything. fish and meat and vegetables and fruit. So we write here, place. Next one you have deer. D-E-E, deer. What is a deer? Where do you find the deer? You find deer in the park, you find deer in a deer park, or you find it in the jungle, you find deer at the zoo, if you like to go and see. So what is a deer? An animal, a cute little animal. So we write it here, animal. Finally, the fourth noun is a bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Where do you have bell? You have bell in the temple, you have bells in the church, you have bell in the school, you have bell in your puja room. Yes? What is bell? It's a thing. Very good. So we found the four nouns and identified the kind. Sister is a person, market is a place, deer is an animal, and bell is a thing. Did you enjoy the exercise?